an upscale commercial kitchen equipment platform, is dedicated to designing and producing versatile, multifunctional commercial refrigeration units. The units feature a heat dissipation avoidance design to prevent obstruction when placed against walls, maximizing internal capacity with a compact compressor 260 millimeters. Convenient access points for routine maintenance simplify cleaning and upkeep. The detachable compressor unit facilitates easy servicing and maintenance. Detachable side panels and an automatic water evaporation system ensure a dry, clean environment. Incorporates a recessed evaporator installation design to maximize cooling efficiency. Internal rounded corner design facilitates easy cleaning and ensures hygiene standards. A top air deflector ensures 360-degree circulation of temperature within the cabinet, preventing airflow blockages. Anti-condensation heating prevents water droplets from forming. Solid doors and glass doors are interchangeable. The same-sized refrigerator can easily convert to accommodate 400 to 600 baking trays. 1-to-1 GN pans, two-layer drawer configurations, or three-layer drawer configurations. Customized openings on the tabletop of the under counter is possible. Tabletop made of marble can be affixed on. Tabletop with back shelf. Noble Snow offers a versatile, adaptable